Play-Doh container, baking soda. I'm making a video for if I want to keep making explosions. I know how. Okay. I'm using food coloring as well. 1 tablespoon. So 1 tablespoon measurement. And then 1 teaspoon measurement is what I'm using. And you also need vinegar. So first off, I'm going to take 1 teaspoon of baking soda and put it in my Play-Doh container. And then what I'm going to do is I'm also going to get a straw. And taking my food color. And this time I'm going to be doing red. So I'm going to put couple drops, 2 drops of red food coloring. And then I'm mixing the food coloring and the baking soda together. If you need to use more, just add more food coloring. But it's getting stuck in the straw. Not working. If you need to add more food coloring, which I am going to, you can. I would recommend adding about 4 drops now because it doesn't really work. So, it doesn't really work with 2 drops. So then you're just going to mix that in, mix. Add in with the baking soda. And what I'm also doing, I'm also adding some blue to make it purple. So probably add about 4 drops of blue to your mixture of red and baking soda mixture. And you will start to get a purple thing. Always happens. Mixture gets stuck in the straw. I'm making purple.
Awesome.
Once you think it makes good, which I don't think mine is, but whatever. You're going to take your tablespoon, 1 tablespoon measurement. You're going to open up your vinegar. Now, make sure you're doing this on a cookie sheet because you don't want to get it all over your table. Just going to dump that in there. It is a purple explosion! Oh gosh, it's popping, the bubble is popping everywhere. Boom! I like this. I like this steering color. I don't have very much vinegar left. And if you feel like you need to add more baking soda, feel free to add more baking soda. If you feel like you need to add more baking soda, not baking soda, food coloring, add more food coloring. And yeah, this is going to get messy, so I'm adding about one more drop of each color. I'm not mixing it, just going to swish it around. I'm going to go. Dad, we might run out of vinegar. So you can put that on your list of things for the store today. Ooh, pretty. Just barely enough. It's not that much wrong. Well, that's all the vinegar I have. So let's see if we can add more baking soda. See if that makes a change. Nope, just makes it fizzy. So yeah, this can. So I ran out of vinegar, so I have to just dump this out. And it created a really, really weird color. Sorry. That's a weird color. That will be bad. And you have a lot of cleaning to do. I just used an empty old Play-Doh container. I'm keeping this one because I'm probably going to make more explosions happen, but this is all I could do today. Yeah, all slimy. Oh man, now there is purple stuff all over my screen. And I'm gonna try. Okay. So that's how you make explosion for me. Yeah. So thanks for watching.